Hi students, I'm starting with the second chapter. This chapter number is 2 and the topic is accounts of not for profit concerns. So we'll see in this chapter what is a not for profit concern. So not for profit concern, the introduction first. So in the introduction there are two types of organization. First one is trading organization or profit making organization. That trading organization is called as a profit making organization, and second one is non-trading organization, that is called as a or not for profit organization. So trading organization one and second one is non-trading organization. So for a trading organization it is called profit making organization, and a non-trading organization is called not for profit organizations. So what is a trading organization main object is, it is to main object is trading organization main object is to earn profit. Trading organization main object is earn profit. So they are engaged in the trading activities. So you all know that what are the trading activities last year you have studied, and that is buying and selling of a goods and services. So, trading activities are buying and selling of goods and services, and organizations like sole trading concern, partnership, cooperative organization, public limited company. These all we have already studied in the 11th standard. So, are set up for the purpose of making profit. These all set up for the making a profit. So final accounts which consist of a trading and profit and loss account. So in a first chapter, in a partnership final accounts, we learned that trading and profit and loss account, then balance sheet, and prepared a base of a final accounts as using a trial balance. We prepare trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So next is not for profit organ. This is about a trading organization. It's for a profit making organization. Now we look after a not for profit organization. Main aim is to give a service to its members. So trading organization, its main aim is earning profit. But not for profit organization, main aim is to give services to its members. So it's are to the society at a large. They are not formed for a profit making. These are not formed for a profit making. They do not, it's only for the doing social service. They do not carry any trading activity or manufacturing activity. Their trading activities are means buying and selling and goods and services. Buying and selling means it's will get the money from the buying and selling. So, but in a non-profit, not for profit organization, it is doing a social service. They do not carry any trading activity or manufacturing activity in in not for profit organization. But for example, sports club, charitable hospitals, schools, colleges, and universities, unites, chamber of commerce, professional institutions, trust, social welfare associations, and religious concerns, libraries, etc. These are all called non-profit, not for profit organizations. So these people are giving, these organizations are giving a services to members or to the society. They are not expecting any profit from the society. It's formed for they are not formed for making profit. So next is our examples of not-for-profit concern. Their main object is to give services to the members. They maintain the books of accounts in a different way. These people will make not-for-profit organization. This will maintain books of account in a different way. They will maintain, but it's in a different way. And for example, for the non-profit, not-for-profit organizations like government hospitals, government schools, these will come, and charitable uh, trust, these things will come under the not for profit organization. So next is, as their motive is not to earn a profit, not for profit concern do not prepare these people are not looking for the profit, so they do not prefer to prepare profit and loss account. Instead, the profit and loss account will come to know that how much how much profit happened to the business and how much what is the loss of the business we'll see in the using preparing profit and loss account. But not for profit organization, they are not preparing a profit and loss account, and instead they prepare an income and expenditure account. So instead of a profit and loss account, they'll prepare income and expenditure account. Similarly, they do not prefer trial balance, but they prepare receipts and payments. They won't use they do not prefer trial balance, but they'll preferred receipts and payments accounts. This organization prepare balance sheet to know the net worth of the concern on a particular date. So they in a not-for-profit organization, they are only preferred receipts and the payments. And finally, for the accounts of the not-for-profit organization, they prepare a balance sheet. So, sheet to know the net worth of the concern on a particular date. Final accounts of not for profit are concerned consist of a income and expenditure accounts and balance sheet. Income and expenditure. Final accounts of not for profit organization concerned consist of income and expenditure account and balance sheet they'll prepare in a not for profit organization. And we'll see what is the meaning of not for profit concern. So, not for profit concern are those concern which are not started to earn a profit but give to qualitative services to its members and society at the minimum charges. Like in a government if you go to the government schools, there many facilities are available in a universities also, but they'll give a qualitative services to its members and society at the minimum charges. So if it is a manufacturing company or a trading, it is particularly trading, they look for the earning profit. But these members are these societies, these organizations mainly looking for the helping society. Their main objective is to provide a social service and promote art, culture, sports, education, etc. The nature of these concerns are different from profit organization. So this nature of the not for profit concern is different to profit organization. Not for profit concern collect the income through subscription and admission fees, minimum amount they'll consider, and the donations like in a charitable trusts and temples will pay some donations will. So they will accept these things like a subscription and admission fees and donations, etc. They will take it, and given by members or non-members, grant subsidies or concessions received from the government. The some amount from the government they will receive. So, and this is the meaning of a not for profit concern. So next we'll see what are the features of not for profit concerns. The first feature is the primary object of such concern is to provide services to its members and not to earn profit. So it's mainly their concern is to help the society in giving services to members and not for earning profit. And second one is these concerns are formed for promotion of art, culture, education, sports, charity, health, etc. So improving formed for promotion of promoting the art, culture, education, sports, charity, health. This they are mainly looking for the giving these facilities, these things to the society, and the members of this concern cannot go to the got the dividend. It is prohibited, and the management of such concern is done by elected representative of members from the it is governed by elected members only. So next fifth one is these concern prepared receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. They are preparing a not for profit organization, we are going to prepare receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account, and finally we'll prepare a balance sheet. So next, sixth one is capital fund is created by such concern. It is made up of entrance fees, surplus, le- legacies, and donations specially received for a capital fund. So for the capital fund, these things from these formats they'll get the money fund, some amount, admission fees like entrance fees. If you go to temple, some for the receipts, we'll pay some amount, and entrance for the prasad, many many things like in a government schools also they will some entrance fees will pay, and surplus legacies and donations will pay, and donations will give. These are the specially received for a capital fund for running the business, running their organization. And what is the difference between profit organization and not for profit organization? So points of distinctions. The primary objective, what is the primary objective in profit organization and not for profit organization? So primary objective is that the primary objective of a profit organization is to earn profit. They are mainly looking for the earn profit, since it is a buying and selling and goods and service activities are going in a trading. So they are mainly looking for the earning profit, and the primary object of their organization is to provide services in a not for profit organization. So preparation of trial balance, in a preparation of trial balance, so in a final accounts we used to take a trial balance. Using trial balance entries, we used to pass a trading account, P&L account, and balance sheet. So but in a not for profit organization, they'll prefer, in a profit organization they'll prefer trial balance, but not for organization they do not prefer trial balance. Instead of trial balance, they'll prefer receipts and payments, and accounts is prepared. So next one is accounting statements. So third point is accounting statements. So these people, for profit organization is a trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet is calculating. And uh, in a not for profit organization, receipts and payments and income and expenditure, finally we'll prepare a balance sheet. Next is fourth one is net results. So net profit and net loss, using a P&L account, we'll come to know that what is the net profit and what is the net loss in the business. But in a not for profit organization, surplus or deficit they will look after. And owners fund, capital fund. So owners fund includes a owners investment, that is a capital plus reserves and surplus. So as you know all that, so partnership they used to put the fund opening stock, then they'll run the business. These are the things was there in a final accounts. It will be related for the profit organization. And in a non-profit organization, it is a capital fund represents accumulated amount of surplus, subscriptions, donations, and surpluses, whichever is given from the survey society, that is they will accept. From that they shown a income and expenditure. So what is the amount was coming and how much they have expended, they will show using a income and expenditure account. So next is need for maintaining a books of accounts and preparation of a final accounts. So when they are receiving money, so they will prepare for the book of accounts. So in a try in a final accounts, using trial balance, they will calculate what is the net profit, what is the net loss. And here will pass the entries of income and expenditure and receipts and payments. So need for maintaining a books accounts, and what is the need for the uh, this organization to prepare preparation of final accounts. We'll see this. Not for profit concern are not engaged in a trading accounts, so they are not involving in a trading activities. Like there is no buying and selling and goods and services activities are not happening in a not for profit organization. And mostly they deal with the public money. So these people are mostly deal with the not deal with the public money. These concerns collect money such as subscriptions, donations, grants, entrance fees, etc. from public. If you go to the temple, if you go to any orphanage, you will find that a minimum amount of entrance fees will be there. And if they are willing to pay some amount, they can do donation also they can afford, and grants and subscription. These are the things in a not for profit organization. From public, these things are getting it from the public. These concerns are answerable to the society for such money collected and spent, hence proper books of accounts are to be maintained. That's why they are preparing, because these concerns are answerable to the society. They are showing it to the society, that's why they'll maintain a proper books of accounts are to be maintained. So following are the reasons for maintaining a books of accounts by not for profit. So what are the reasons to maintain a books of accounts? So to maintain a proper control over a monetary transactions, to the how the charitable trust and how temples, how the government schools are running, how the government hospitals are running. So these are the giving services to the service to the society. So that's why for the having a proper control, this is a monetary transactions need to be maintained. And to know the source of incomes and heads of expenditure. So where the income is coming and what is the expenditure is going on, that's why they'll prepare a books of accounts and they'll maintain it. And to comply with the provisions of laws applicable to them, for them also laws of application will be apply. That is not for profit concern registered as a charitable trust under Mumbai Public Trust Act, or a cooperative society registered under the Cooperative Society Act, as to comply with the provisions of these acts regarding a budget, audit of accounts, registers to be maintained. So when they had to prepare the means budgeting, budget and audit of accounts and register for the maintaining. For this reason, they are maintaining the books of accounts. And to know surplus deficits of the concern during the particular period, how much surplus happened and deficit. This the for the during particular period, they'll prepare a books of accounts. Next is to know the net worth of the concern as on a particular day. What is the net worth of the concern? So for coming to know, they prepare a book of accounts to avoid malpractice and misappropriation of cash and assets. So for these purpose they are using maintaining a books of accounts. And now we'll see what is the, so till now we studied that what is a profit and what is a profit organization and what is a not for profit organization. Now we'll see what is the now in a not for profit organization. We studied that there are receipts and payments accounts. So we'll see first what is the meaning of receipts and payments account. The day-to-day transactions of a not-for-profit concern are recorded in a cash book and then they are posted to ledger account. So day-to-day transactions, what are the transactions are going means our expenditure and income in a not for profit concern are recorded in a cash book and then they are posted to ledger account. First they'll entered in a cash book, then they'll post it to ledger accounts. At the end of a financial period, the cash book, so at the end of financial period, the cash book and ledger accounts are balanced, and from these balances, receipts and payments account is prepared. So using the financial period, in a financial period, the cash book and ledger, using the cash book and ledger accounts are balanced, and from these balances, from the ledger account and from the cash book, the will be prepared receipts and payments account is prepared. And receipts and payment account is a real account. Receipts and payment account is a real account. So we studied that real account, nominal account, those accounts. So this is a real account of the receipts and payments is a real account. Credit transactions are not recorded in a receipts and payments account. Credit transaction, whatever the credit transaction or are things happen, so are not recorded in the receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account is a summary of cash and bank transactions for a particular period. All receipts are shown to the debit side. All receipts are shown to the debit side and all payments to the credit side. Whatever the receipts are the entries are there, that will be shown in a debit side, and all the payments to the come under the credit side. So what is the golden rule of accounts? So this is, since it is a payment, receipts and payments is a real account. What is the rule of the real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So all the receipts are shown in the debit side. The debit comes in and payments to be credit side, what goes out. So that's why the real account is applying in a receipts and payments. And next one is, so all receipts are shown. Next, this account starts with the opening cash and bank balance, different banks. So this will start with the opening cash and bank balance and closes with cash and bank balance. So we used to start in a trading account, in a final accounts, opening stock and a closing stock. Like that, here this account starts with a opening cash and a bank balance and closes with a cash and bank balance at the end of the year. This is a meaning of receipts and payments.